Hello family, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. It's been a while since I made a video. As you have probably heard, my mom is in hospice care. I have been spending a lot of time with her, one-on-one time, family time, and we are loving her. We are being with her, giving her a lot of support. That's one of the reasons I'm not recording. But without further ado, let's talk about GGPI, Gores Goldenheim. The approval for the merger did go through to be bringing Polestar to the stock market. It is going to be trading as PSNY starting tomorrow on June 24th, 2022. This is incredible news if you are a GGPI stockholder. Your stocks will be converted 1-to-1, one share to one share of Polestar. Tomorrow, the ticker will be selling at Polestar, ticker's new symbol, PSNY. Now, this stock has had a roller coaster of a week, a roller coaster of a month, going down as low as $8.67. But now that the merger has been announced, we are starting to get a lot of movement up. So exciting news for this new EV Swedish-based electric vehicle company. One of the best things I think to invest in or put money into Polestar is it has incredible value product that is very nice, very efficient. But not only this, I do believe that electric vehicles are going to be the future. There is a lot of big things behind Polestar. It is backed by the Swedish Volvo company and Geely Holdings, which is a Chinese-based electric vehicle production company. The Polestar 2 has been around since 2020 and has incredible sales volume, incredible demand. Just last year has produced 29,000 electric vehicles. This year alone, the Polestar 2 will be selling about 50,000 units, 50,000 electric vehicles for this year alone, generating quite a bit of revenue, quite a bit of income. I do believe that this is my sleeping giant of a stock, and it has had quite a bit of news, quite a bit of run up when you do compare it to the stock market as a whole. Now, I do still believe that this stock has plenty of room to run. If you go back and look at its trading value, this stock has gone all the way up to over $16 at one point in time. With the amount of sales, the projected sales that this company has, I definitely think that this is a great stock to put on your watch list and to consider putting into your stock portfolio. Now, also, in addition to this, Polestar has a lot of future products that are expected to be launched later this year in the year 2022. They will be revealing a brand new Polestar 3, a brand new electric SUV vehicle that will be produced in South Carolina in the United States in the Volvo company. As I mentioned, it is a Volvo-based company, so it has a lot of resources behind it, especially since we are in a supply chain crunch and we do have a lot of supply chain issues, chip shortages. But again, this does allow this company to utilize its Volvo holdings and Geely holdings to get the company up and running, and I do think it is a great investment into the future. The Polestar 3 is going to be aiming to be very performance-based. It will have 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. It will also have a very long range of over 300 miles on a single charge. Incredible things to look forward to. Volvo and Geely Holdings have partnered up and have created Polestar, but it's very important to know that the future engineering of Polestar is going to be using an aluminum-based chassis, a frame that is very lightweight, that will help with the energy efficiency and with the range as well. Later in the future years in 2023, 2024, they will be releasing even more vehicles. They will be producing the Polestar 4 and the Polestar 5. So they do have a very nice line of vehicles coming out, but right now the Polestar 2 is dominating their sales. Polestar 2 is a very nice, efficient vehicle. And the most important thing is it can be bought by the masses. You can get into an electric vehicle single motor version for under $40,000. That is with the U.S. federal tax credits. Incredible opportunity to get into this vehicle. And don't forget that they did have a very big product and very big deal with Hertz. Hertz is going to be potentially buying a boatload of Polestar 2 vehicles, adding to its future revenues. I do think that this company is going to do quite well into the future. And I do think that their demand is greatly going to increase after that Polestar 3, the SUV, does come out, as the SUV market is quite popular in the United States and around the world. If you are not familiar with Polestar, they are also the only pure play electric vehicle company besides Tesla selling around the world. They are selling in every country around the world. By the end of this year, they will have 30 total markets, and they are doing a great job spreading this vehicle, spreading their product around the world. I do think that they have great futures ahead of itself, and it is very nice to see that GGPI, Gores Goldenheim, will now be trading as Polestar PSNY. If you are not familiar, also you can buy warrants. These warrants will be converted to Polestar. So if you do have any warrants, GGPIW, which are the warrants, they will also be converted 1-to-1 ratio to PSNYW for the warrants. And don't forget that warrants after the merger can be called at any time. I will do videos on this in the future as well. Warrants are a little bit more riskier than stocks. However, they do have a lot more volatility. If you do have some upward movement, it will be a lot more higher than that. If you have downward movement, again, you will have a lot more volatility in that as well. But I do suspect that Polestar will be trading quite a bit, especially now that the merger has happened. Now, will we have that merger, that fever where these electric vehicles go up and shoot up quite high and then have a massive sell-off? I do suspect that in the next coming days, we could have the stock go up to $15, $16 a share, and then people start taking profits and start swing trading. So keep an eye on that as well, especially in this volatile economy time. Now, the last thing I did want to end with is my friends in Australia. I do now have a link to Moomoo. They are giving my viewers in Australia a huge opportunity. Also, the US market. If you haven't already, use the link down below to my link to Moomoo. If you bring up that link to Moomoo, Moomoo is giving the best promotion to my viewers only. You can get a free Lucid LCID stock by opening an account with $100. But not only this, they're also giving my viewers up to 11 free stocks, each valued up to $2,500. I've had huge, incredible emails written to me. People are getting massive amounts of free stock. Take advantage of this huge opportunity to get some free money, free stocks. You can get a potential of getting up to $22,500 in free stocks. Incredible, huge opportunity. Take advantage of that using my link down below. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. If you like this channel, if you like this video, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It does keep me alive on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you here. I will be making more videos into the future, and I promise that I will be making and expanding beyond electric vehicles as well. There's a huge vast of majority of great stocks out there that we will be talking about. In addition to this, don't forget to share this page with others. Share it with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow the channel. And don't forget to get those free stocks from Moomoo using my link down below. Just to give you an update, my mom is still in home hospice. We are still with her. My brother is here from Dallas. His name is Richard. Shout out to my brother. He's taking a great job taking care of my mom. My mom is a strong lady. We love her. And we are spending a lot of quality time with her. So I love you, Mom. I love you, my family. You are my family. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will make more. And have a great week. Have a great weekend, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Take care. Thank you.